Ako, personally, hindi ko gana magdadaog cash. Kay, if simba ko ginawa ang wallet, at least, wallet rin nawa, di ba? So what do I do to pay for the stuff I buy? Well, I use GCash. Ano sa man ang GCash? Well, GCash is an app nga pwede nyo gamiton to pay for your purchases using only your smartphone. Ato so yan karon. Okay, so nata sa 10 Dove Street Gelato. Do you think that's may GCash? No, yun is may GCash. Hey miss, ano sa yung bestseller?
For the chocolate, sir, we have the ultimate brownie, the chocolate donut, sir. For the fruit flavors, we have mango harvest, the sassy strawberry, sir. If you're a coffee lover, sir, we have the Java juice.
Chocolate lover mo ko miss, ultimate brownie na siguro ako ah.
Ultimate brownie and early lattice.
Thank you.
For your bill, sir, 185 pesos.
Miss, wala mo i-kwarto miss.
Ay, sige, no, okay, sir. But check sa mong wallet, sir. Basi na sa mong wallet, sir.
Seryoso jud kayo ko miss, tanawa miss. Wagi sud akong pitaka miss. Butterfly rin ko was ano miss. So, miss, pwede mong hugas na akong plato.
Wala dyan may nana, dere, sir.
Ora ko na rin tigsira sa yung mga gatas miss.
Sorry si kayo, sir. Wala dyan may nana, dere, sir.
Miss, maluwi ka miss. Kaya lang, bitawan ako i-Gcash miss.
Receipt, sir. Thank you, sir. Balik-balik. Enjoy gelato, sir.
You're welcome. Hey guys, it's me, Dodong Dave. Nara ba kay GCash diha sa imong smartphone? Well, if wala pa, i-download na. When you download and register for GCash, please don't forget to use my referral code DONGDAVE to get 50 pesos into your GCash account. Once again, this is Dodong Dave signing out. See ya!